Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Eagle Tips. I'm Riccardo Balma, Product Manager for Compact Wheel Loaders for Europe. In this episode, we would like to tell you how Case Construction has improved the vehicle controllability and the comfort on board of the operator during his daily work. To help me in showing you this new feature, I'll be joined by Massimiliano Rella, Platform Manager of the Compact Wheel Loaders, and by Andrea Gravili, Senior Mechatronic Engineer.
The overall vehicle control system has been built to give the best operator experience, not just in terms of performances, but also in terms of pure comfort. Features like the soft boom stop, the traction control, and the quick reversing of direction have the purpose to optimize the vehicle controllability and reduce the shock inside the cab and the operator's compartment. Andrea will now illustrate this feature more in detail.
In standard loader type machine, if the operator suddenly releases the joystick, the implement is rarely stopped, causing vibration in the cabin and the loss of material in the bucket. With the electro-hydraulic controls of our compact wheel loader, instead, the operator is always able to quickly and precisely control the movement, but at the same time, on joystick release, the boom is softly stopped with less vibration in the cabin and improved productivity for the mission. With our new compact wheel loader, we introduced an optimized traction control and an improved power management system. The operator now is always able to easily find the right balance between vehicle speed, torque and hydraulic power for pushing into the pile and so loading and then rising the bucket. The overall maneuver is so very precise and efficient and with a high comfort of the operator in controlling the vehicle. The control software is also able to increase the controllability of vehicle and the operator comfort in motion direction inversion, preventing the backache after several working hours. With our compact wheel loader, this maneuver in fact is performed very quickly, but with a sensitive reduction of the shock perceived by the operator. In the same way, the engine overspeed and the noise that are typical for this kind of operation are also strongly mitigated.
Thank you, Massimiliano and Andrea, and thank you all for your attention. We'll see you in the next episode of the Eagle Tips. For the latest news on Case machines, follow us on Facebook and Instagram and visit our website casece.com.